White Dolphin by Gil Lewis, Chapter 34. Before I start my video, I'll request you to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you may receive my upcoming videos. In chapter number 33, we saw that Felix gives an envelope to Kara and tells her that the information in the envelope has come from the memory stick that belonged to Kara's mother, and the envelope holds something to do with her mom, a missing key to where she might be. In chapter number 34, Mr. Anderson drops Kara her home. Kara, upon reaching home, plans to look into the information in the envelope. Kara hides herself in her room and opens the envelope. In the envelope, there was a picture of Kara's mother. Inside that envelope, Kara's mother was sitting on a harbor beside her diving gear. Kara knew that her mother would always check her diving gear before going for diving. Felix reveals that the picture of Kara's mother was taken just before Kara's mother disappeared, and it was published in a newspaper. Felix also tells Kara that his father confirmed through his contacts that probably K would disappeared during diving, but due to the fear of bad publicity regarding diving and tourism, the news was not leaked and it was spread that K would just disappeared. So this confirms Kara that her mother had died. Felix comes to take Kara along with her for regatta race, but as the race had been cancelled, they decide to go out and see what was happening in town. Daisy accompanies them on the instructions of Aunt Babe. The beach was empty, though it was warm and humid. A storm was expected, and it is therefore the regatta race had been cancelled. Just then Felix, Kara and Jake come across Jake and Ethan, who once again try to bully them. But both Kara and Felix try to ignore them. Although regatta had been cancelled, yet Jake challenges Kara that he can beat Kara and Felix's boat by sailing in Moana. This was like teasing Kara that he will be sailing in Moana. Kara again tries to ignore them. It starts raining and Jake and Ethan start to sail in Moana. Since it was a stormy day, Kara tries to stop Jake as the storm was approaching, and because Kara did not want Moana to get wrecked in storm. Therefore, she tells Jake that your father had already lost Aaron, his brother, and now he would not like to lose him. That's why she tells him that he should not be sailing in that stormy weather in the ocean. Jake and Ethan, they do not listen to Kara and they set on in Moana. Felix decides to follow Jake and Ethan in Felix's boat, and they tell Daisy to go to Merry Mermaid where Kara's father works. They also tell Daisy to tell Kara's dad to call Coast Guards, as Jake and Ethan had started sailing in the ocean when there was no boat in the ocean because of the storm. Felix tells Daisy that this fairy godmother will go and call Coast Guards. He again calls her a fairy godmother. We remember that once he called Daisy fat fairy godmother, and Daisy got really annoyed. But now he again laughs and tells her that fairy godmother will go and call Coast Guards. This makes Daisy smile and she runs to get help. Both Kara and Felix put on life jackets and they follow Jake and Ethan in the ocean. They carry 2 extra life jackets for Jake and Ethan too. So that's all about chapter number 34. There is a question in chapter number 34. How did Felix help Kara find out that how her mother went missing? When Felix looked into the information in the memory stick that belonged to Kara's mother, Kay Wood, he got some information where Kara's mother had gone for diving. So when through his father's contacts and his sources, they tried to confirm this from that city, and they find out that this picture appeared in one of the newspaper, and it was written in the newspaper that this picture was taken just before Kay Wood went for diving and she disappeared while she was diving. And this information was not leaked that Kay Wood went missing while diving, because it was going to have bad effect on diving profession, and it could have bad effect on tourism as well. So that's why this information was hidden. It was not leaked. So it gets confirmed that Kay Wood, she disappeared while she was diving, and this picture was taken a while before she disappeared while diving. So this confirms that Kara's mother had died and she went missing while diving. So Felix and his father, Mr. Anderson, help Kara to find out all these information through their sources. So that's all about chapter number 34. Once again, I'll request you to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you may receive my upcoming videos.